Today we are doing a taste test of pumpkin spice products.
All the pumpkin things from the local grocery store.
From Sprouts.
And ranking them, 1 through 10. 10 the best, 1 the worst.
Are you a pumpkin spice fan?
I am not a pumpkin spice fan because I am not a basic bitch.
The pumpkin obsession is real here.
I love pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice is delicious.
I'm so excited.
It's pumpkin spice season.
Is it though? It's August right now.
Let's begin.
Oatmeal.
Pumpkin spice oatmeal.
It's a little savory and a little sweet.
It's very sweet.
Okay.
Why do we get the little spoons?
You want a big spoon for this?
Yeah, it's good.
Really?
Buttery, mapley. I really don't get that much like pumpkin spice from it.
I
It's
do.
It's a little hint.
I do,
A
I
little
get
hint.
a little hint.
I could
Yeah.
use some more though.
Like I don't get an overwhelming pumpkin taste.
It tastes like an oatmeal cookie to me.
Yeah,
Like a fall oatmeal cookie.
And it's
So-
delicious.
Like, let me close my eyes. No, I don't get any pumpkin taste.
I could use
It
some
does
more.
have like that fall apple crisp kind of vibe to it.
It does taste like a dessert. It does not taste like breakfast.
Plug your nose. Do you taste anything?
No, it's just mushy.
I could get down with this though.
I'm gonna give this a 5.
Oh, I'm giving it a 2.
If you are a packaged oatmeal fan, I love the flavor of this, so I'd probably give it like a 6.
I was gonna say 6 too. 6.
It's oatmeal, it tastes like oatmeal. I think it's like got a little bit of that pumpkin fall flavor, but it's a 5.
It's delicious, a little too
Tasty.
sweet. Not quite where I want it at the pumpkin spice level, but good.
Yeah,
Solid.
a little above average. But a delicious above average.
It's delicious.
Next up.
Cranberry pumpkin crisps.
Ooh, these look delicious.
These are like the seed crisps.
Yeah, like there's like seeds and
cranberries.
dried berries.
Crispy.
It does taste like pumpkin.
Is this a pumpkin flavored? Ooh, at the end.
Or is it ginger snappy?
I get a little ginger. That's
It's
what I
kind
get.
of ginger snappy.
But I like it, it's good.
I am
Yeah.
a crunch fan, so like anything crunchy, I'm into.
It's making me question how different the tastes of ginger snap and pumpkin are.
They're very similar.
I enjoy this.
These are good. Yeah.
I think this is good. This is like, I think this is an 8.
Are they actually healthy?
Probably not.
No, we don't want you to do that though. This is a flavor test. That's why I didn't want to give you the box. It's not about the
Fine.
ingredients.
Fine.
Tastes
It's
like a
crunchier.
snack I had as a kid, like Teddy Grahams, but like the adult version.
Pumpkins are a fruit, but when it comes to cooking, they're often referred to as vegetables.
I'm supposed to read the box.
I'm not reading the label. I'm just reading the interesting fact.
I would rate mine a 7.5.
No, I was gonna say 8. We're same brain. I'd
7
buy
and a
these.
half.
I'd actually buy these.
I add an extra syllable when I say 7. 7.
I thought you said 7.5.
7.5.
That's
It's a
what
little
reminds
crunchier, but I give it a 7. Just because it doesn't actually taste like pumpkin.
me. Yeah, I'll stick with my 8 because it's good, but. A muffin.
Muffins. I cannot tell you the last time I ate a muffin.
Back to breakfast. Is muffin a breakfast?
Yeah.
Who cut this in half with the wrapper on?
I don't know. That's weird.
It's
Well,
not high-
I didn't want to like manhandle the muffins.
Ooh, I wish this had cream cheese on it.
Cream cheese frosting on a pumpkin muffin?
Oh, yeah.
Jessica, you're changing my world right now.
Is it weird that a muffin cut in half looks like a mushroom?
Oh, I sniffed it and I got muffin in my nose and it definitely went down to my throat.
It's a solid muffin.
It's a little one note.
I get more of a pumpkin flavor than the crisps.
I'm not super into this.
Oh.
It does have a lot of spice to it. I do
I think
like
this is
all
my favorite
the spice.
so far.
This
It's a little flat.
It's a little flat. It's heavy on the pumpkin flavor though. I don't think I like it.
Oh, I like it.
I give this a solid 2.
Whoa, that's so low.
Yeah, nothing's wowing me
I was
about
gonna
it.
give this a 9. Like I would buy these, I would eat these.
Apparently we're not friends.
I'm gonna give this a 4. It's edible, but it's below average.
I'm gonna give another 7 because I actually think it's really good, but it's not great.
Pumpkin butter.
Maple pumpkin butter. It tastes like apple to me.
It's like pumpkin, sugar, maple, spices.
Sweet maple pumpkin baby food.
It's too spiced.
Super sweet baby food, pumpkin.
Totally.
I could see you putting it on a sandwich of some kind.
Mmm.
This is delicious.
And this is not butter. by the way.
It's not a butter. It's called a butter.
It's more like a spread.
It's like a jelly
It's
jam,
not
pumpkin
butter.
jelly jam.
For some reason, it tastes like apricot.
If you're looking for like actual pumpkin flavor, this is your go.
This stuff is
You
so
should
good.
have used this to make your pumpkin spice latte.
Oh yeah, then it would not be a healthy pumpkin spice latte.
No, if you're going for unhealthy pumpkin spice, this is your, ready for it? Jam.
Oh.
I'm gonna give this a 3. Like the flavor itself is not anything special, and I can't imagine using it a whole lot.
Yeah, this solid 9.
So this is a 2 for me. It's not 1 because it's not like revolting.
No.
But honestly, the flavor wasn't enjoyable and it just ruined the muffin, which is like rude. Don't ruin my muffin.
I'll give this a 7. It is really good, and it has like a lot of really good flavor in it, but it's also just so sugary that I'm like, whoa! Pumpkin vinaigrette dressing.
Pumpkin lettuce.
Pumpkin dressing.
Oh.
Pumpkin vinaigrette dressing with pumpkin cider vinegar and spices.
I would have never thought to make a pumpkin vinaigrette. That's a little out of left field.
Why are we making everything with pumpkin just because it's fall?
I'm so excited.
Some
for
things
this.
must be sacred, and salad dressing is where I draw the
this
line.
is gonna be good.
I like it. It's a good vinaigrette, but I don't taste a lick of pumpkin.
There's maybe like a touch of cinnamon.
Crunch, crunch, pass. It just tastes like a regular vinaigrette. There's nothing special about it, really.
No, it just tastes like a vinaigrette.
Take a sip and tell me if you taste pumpkin.
No.
No pumpkin.
It's good though.
No.
But I'm still gonna rank this like a 4.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be giving this a 0.
You can't give it a 0, it's 1 through 10.
Here's what it's missing though. I think it's
Wait.
missing ginger and the nutmeg that go in pumpkin spice, because you get a little bit of the cinnamon, there's cloves and allspice in there, but it doesn't have the ginger flavor that you associate with like
It doesn't have any kind of spice kick to it.
No.
I enjoyed the dressing, but from a pumpkin perspective, like it didn't taste like pumpkin
I will say
at
that.
all.
The number 1 ingredient is water. Is that normal for vinaigrettes?
Yeah, stay hydrated with your salad dressing.
Oh, what do you rank it?
They keep going down. This is a 2.
I would give it a 3 because I do like the vinaigrette, but it just like doesn't taste like pumpkin. And it makes me mad. It feels like false advertising.
My area's nice and clean. Miss Crumbs over here.
Whatever.
Ooh, this is my jam.
Yes.
Bring that muffin back.
Pumpkin spice tea.
This stuff smells so good.
Yes.
Mmm.
It smells delicious. I can smell it from here.
Kind of smells like a cocktail.
I would definitely put some whiskey in this.
Yep.
I can get down with this.
Yep.
Also, check out our article about why you shouldn't buy packaged tea.
Totally. Yeah.
I'm not a huge
Yeah.
fan. It doesn't have like a super strong flavor.
I think this is pleasant. It's a nice flavor. It's not bad. It's just one of those things you probably really want to steep it so you really get the flavor.
This is a winner.
It's like a lighter chai tea,
That's exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like chai tea, but just like
but like
kind
a
of
little lighter.
little lighter, yeah.
Cinnamon, ginger, lemon peel, natural flavor, clove, and nutmeg. So
all good
your
things.
all your pumpkin pie spice flavors,
Yeah.
just very subtle, very low key.
I'm giving it a,
6.
I was gonna give it a 6.
This might be my first 10.
Really?
I'm going 10 out of 10. I would buy this. I would drink this. Fall comes around. I'm looking for this. Yeah.
Just because I'm real conservative with my 10s, I was gonna give it a 9.7.
Oh,
but because
come
you gave it a
on.
10, I will give it a 10 too.
Yeah.
Are these? Oh, these are tortilla chips. I got.
Pumpkin seed tortilla chips.
Oh, pumpkin
They're
seed.
not pumpkin spice tortilla chips.
Oh.
That would be kind of cool.
It smells like a sun chip.
It does smell like a sun chip.
Oh.
It tastes like a sun chip with no flavoring.
These are good though. I like this.
These are delightful.
Those are good.
I need more salt.
It's sea salted. You can taste the salt that came from the
Okay.
sea.
I like the saltiest of salty tortilla chips.
The texture is really interesting. It's
Yeah.
like it's crunchy, but it's kind of like airy at the same time.
It's a little soft. Like, that's weird to say because they are very crisp, but it's like airy. Like
Like an airy
Yeah.
crisp. Like an oven baked something situation.
Oven baked. Yes. Are
Which
they?
I wonder if they are or not. I don't know.
I like this a lot. I like the texture. It's got that grittiness to it.
I don't see any pumpkin seeds in them though.
I think it's ground up.
Why did they put pumpkin seeds in them? Just so they could call them pumpkin? Because it doesn't look like it replaced any normal ingredients.
You could do
Just
some
like
with the
an
pumpkin
added-
seeds. Yeah, you got do some with them. Put them in a chip.
But they're good. I would buy these for fall. I would buy these just in general.
Yeah, this one's a little taco.
What's your ranking?
This is a 9.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
So you give this an
8.
Solid 8 over
Solid
there.
8. I need a little more salt, and I definitely need a dip. So minus 2 points for those
Oh
factors.
God, you're more generous than me because I really like these, but I was gonna give them a 7 because they need
So
a dipper.
close. You need a dipper.
I need a dipper. There we go.
Pumpkin spice spread.
We already did this one. We did pumpkin butter.
we did butter. This is a spread.
It smells exactly the same.
But that's like a jelly that would be in a donut.
Ooh. Ugh.
No, I don't want to eat any more of that.
It tastes like thick, sticky applesauce.
This tastes like
Sugar.
sugar, like crystallized sugar.
This is like kind of snotty.
That's what it's doing in your insides right now. It's just hanging from your small intestines.
Not runny at all.
No, it's gross.
Not as spicy as the pumpkin butter. Very sticky, but not as watery. I don't hate it.
I hate it.
This doesn't even have any flavor.
It really doesn't even have that much pumpkin spice flavor. It just
No.
tastes super sweet.
I think this is a 3 because what are you gonna put it on?
It tastes like a preservative jelly filling to me. So I'm giving it a 1.
That's a no-go.
Yeah.
You get a 0.97.
Oh, I was like, a what?
So that's a
I'm
1.
giving this a 1. Oh, they're pumpkin snaps.
Pumpkin
So ginger
snaps.
snaps with pumpkin.
They smell good. Smell like pumpkin.
Because why not?
Pumpkin snaps.
They're gonna be pumpkin-y. I believe this is the one. Whoa, that was very dry.
Whoa, but lots of flavor.
I mean,
Yeah. I can get down with those cookies, no problem.
Bite.
I don't think I like it.
Really?
It's not sweet enough.
tastes like a packaged crunchy cookie.
Tastes like a ginger snap with some pumpkin. Solid.
It's a little bitter, but I prefer bitter to sweet.
I want a sweet cookie. I don't want a bitter cookie. Hey, try these cookies. They're really bitter. Mmm, yum.
Okay, okay, pumpkin ginger snaps.
Yep. These get an 8.
8? Oh, I was gonna go 7.
They're pretty snappy though. They're pretty crunchy.
Yeah,
Oh
they're
my,
definitely.
did you see that? Poof. Poof. Yeah,
I would give these
a 4.
a 6.
I wouldn't eat these by themselves, but if
I
you
would.
did like a pumpkin cheesecake and use this as
Oh,
your crust,
stop it.
that's the winner
Oh,
here.
man. Pumpkin spiced apple cider.
I love apple cider.
Oh,
gosh.
Cheers! Cheers, damn
I'm
it!
smelling it.
Okay.
Huh.
This smells really sour, like green apple juice. I get a little pumpkin aroma though.
It's not even pumpkining at all.
No, it's just kind of
I don't know if
sweeter
it's just like
and more
pumpkin
mild.
spiced. Yeah.
Tastes like dirty apple cider.
It's literally just like apple juice or apple cider that they like threw some canned pumpkin into,
they were
stirred
like-
it up, and we're like, sell it on the shelves, folks, because it says pumpkin and these idiots will buy it. And we did. So kudos to your marketing team.
I would just go with your regular like apple cider.
Spiced
like,
apple
this,
cider.
This doesn't offer anything special enough.
It's all organic. Bonus. I guess it said organic on the label.
It's not bad.
It's not bad, but if you're gonna get something like this, just get the spiced apple cider.
I just don't like it. Like it really doesn't have like a punchy flavor to it. It tastes like something got put in your apple cider that
Yeah.
you didn't want in your
like a
apple
mistake.
cider. Yeah.
Someone messed up.
Someone would bring it to you and you'd be like, what did you do to it?
Yeah, I'm sad about this one because I really was like, ooh, this might be delicious for mulled wine this year, but I wouldn't use it.
I mean, maybe as a cocktail, I just mix this with some, bourbon or something and call it a day.
Sure, it's not bad.
That's gonna be a 1 for me.
That's a 1.
That's a 1.
That's a 1.
I just don't like it.
For me, 3.
I was gonna say 3 too, right on the nose.
We don't need to put pumpkin in every single thing.
This test proves it does not need to be in everything.
It smells stinky.
In conclusion, we didn't hate most things, but we just don't prefer infusing every food under the sun with pumpkin flavoring.
I am so shocked that there are so many pumpkin spice things. Like, it's just
I'm not. All about it.
overruled everything. Like, just put it in whatever you can find. Put pumpkin spice in it and a store will
Please
make
do.
it.
I did like the chips. The tortilla chips were good.
But they didn't taste like pumpkin.
My take-homes would be the tea and the pumpkin butter.
Definitely the tea. And then everything else, like, I could see myself buying given the circumstance, pretty
Yeah.
much. Like, if I was gonna do a cheese board, I'm getting the pumpkin butter. If I was having people over for breakfast, I'd probably get those pumpkin muffins.
Oh, yeah.
I like the crisps. The crisps were good.
Yeah, the crisps were good. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I was really surprised that like all these different products from the store were consistently flavorful, consistently good.
Yeah.
Reminded me of fall.
Totally.
You know, even if I didn't know.
Ready for it.
Just because it has pumpkin in it doesn't mean it's gonna be better. Some foods should be left alone.
And apparently just because it says pumpkin doesn't mean it's gonna taste like pumpkin.
I'm full.
Yeah, these taste tests do get you full.
But it's good. Pumpkin spice all the way.
We just cannot get enough of pumpkin spice here, so if you need more in your life, check out this video about how to make your own pumpkin spice latte. It's glorious, it's delicious, and I'll go back to more PSLing.